Hi guys, we're just here in Camden Haven looking for a snake someone told us about. I'm Thomas.
And I'm Matt.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Thomas. And
We're wicked.
So I'm guessing the snake was probably crossing from over there to over here, and then got hit by a car and it's somewhere in the back way, and then went into there, and then hid somewhere, and then decided to die. And probably that's what happened. You found a python. Really? It's a dead python, alright? Oh, and yeah.
This is the diamond python. It's just here in the bush.
It's dead though.
It's very cold, so it's not alive anymore. You can see the diamond-like stripes on his skin. Also, he's kind of bent, and while doing this, but this snake, I think, is pretty big. I'm Adam.
And I'm Thomas.
And this is Wicked. I'm going to show you how fat it is by putting my hand next to the snake's body. He's pretty fat and he's skinny next to the actual mouth. I think the car rode him over. And then he just
went here to die.
Yeah, crawled here, and then the actual damage began, and his is not rotting yet, and it's a very rare opportunity to see a snake like that not rotting yet.
It's bleeding a bit too. Bigger than me.
Look at that.
It's bigger than me. The snake's bigger
It's
than
even
me.
not normally striated, and it's already bigger than Thomas. I think this snake is probably big enough to eat possums. I think it would
Probably rats
yeah.
or mice.
No, probably bigger stuff. Maybe some other smaller snakes or something. Something that could get him that big must be really big. Probably weighs like, I would say, 7 kilograms maybe or more. It could literally wrap around me like 3 times or something. This snake could be a little bit dangerous if he bit, but the infection will be mainly bacteria, not from him, but from the dirtiness and all the stuff that goes in your blood with the bite. He can't constrict humans because he's not big enough. You go the other side. Oh, look at that. Look at that teeth.
Needle-like teeth. It's bleeding on them in the mouth. See those needle-like teeth? They're bent back, so when it's eating something, it can't escape. So the teeth are bent back, so when it grabs onto something with its mouth, it can't escape, and then it starts constricting it and then swallowing it.
Like, look, this is an example. I have a stick in here and I can't pull it out even if I try strong, and then it cracks because the teeth are pulling in the back, so the prey can't get out.
Would you look at that? That's nasty. Would you look at that? That's nasty.
The snake doesn't even let go if I try very hard to pull out the stick.
Yeah, lift up its mouth.
It also meant that food goes into its belly, not out its mouth. He is heavy, but he doesn't really move because he is dead. Then I think all his bones are bent for a little while, and then he didn't move because it has rigor mortis, which means that the body is going stiff from cold. Look, this snake is pretty long and also heavy.
Its bones are broken about here because they're all twisted.
Oh, do you think that's where the car ran it over?
Yeah, probably. And it must have been in pain too much, and maybe that because he got so badly run over he couldn't hunt, and then he died of starvation. But that would have been like more different, so it just could have been the car or something.
He feels very cold around me. Feels quite weird, and his scales seem to be very, I'm not sure really.
Soft.
Smooth, actually, quite smooth.
I rather say soft because I can easily poke my finger and I'll dip into the snake. Like, not to blood, but actually his skin is soft. However, his bones are I'd have died in that moment.
Pythons are not venomous. What they do is constrict, which means they
Wrap around.
what they do is wrap around you and then squeeze, and every time you breathe they squeeze a bit harder until you die. This is a very slow death, and then they swallow you whole.
But they're not big enough to swallow a human. They don't have venom, and they're not as dangerous as all the poisonous snakes around here.
The only snake that could constrict you and eat you whole could probably be the green anaconda or yellow anaconda or any type of anaconda.
I think this python is pretty big. I never saw a snake that big in my life. I've maybe in like shows, but never in the wild. This is wicked.